We are left with the first position and one more, that is the outstanding innovation. So this is for the first position holder. Let me tell you, this is the first position, that is the Certificate of Excellence. It is from class 9.
In case of scientific department, if you have actually the real path of thinking, if you think in a proper way, it doesn't matter how old you are. You may be reading in class 3, you may be reading in class 10, or you may be a graduate in science. It doesn't matter. Than a person having a master's degree. Is an example, these three boys. They have made automatic street light. Generally, nowadays what we know, a street light is to be made on, switch is to be made on, and in the morning, early morning, it is to be made off. And for that we need some person, and they have to do it manually. But they have made a model. In that model they have used a kind of sensor, and this sensor is called as photosensor. Photosensor means certain chips which can become active in presence of light and become inactive in absence of light. A same kind of sensors. So when it becomes dark, light disappears, and immediately what happens? The sensor become active. And when the sensor become active, then the street lights automatically get on. And in the morning when the sunshine reaches the earth, the moment the sensor reaches the signal of light, automatically the sensor makes the circuit that is inactive and the switch become off. So in that way what happens, we can prevent wastage of electrical energy, and there will be no need of a person to that is move from this street to that street to make the switch on and off. So this will be an automatically controlled electric, so that is a light post that can be seen perhaps in the coming years in the streets of India. Who knows, the concept may go from these three persons. So this is how the students are being nurtured in Arunodaya Academy. You will be surprised that they are studying in class 6 but thinking like a person who is quite experienced in the field of science. Thank you and congratulations.
Congratulations to Avinash Brahma, Bonsurang Bolo, and Devajit.
Extraction of energy means electric energy is a very common thing that we get electrical energy from a battery. If you do not have a battery, you can't think about electricity. It was the oldest concept. Then came the time of Michael Faraday and Thomas Alva Edison. These were the two scientists for the first time say that no, without using battery also you can get electricity. And that is why they are the greatest scientists. They are counted always amongst the greatest. And the concept was in that way they have made the generator, dynamo, etc. Without using battery you can get it. And then finally there are so many changes we have seen that by using windmills can generate electricity. By using water you can make hydroelectricity. There are different types of electricity, but nobody was imagining that behind the plant, under the soil, the roots that the plants have, if you can use the roots in a proper way, you can get electricity, electric current from the roots of a plant. So this is a very new concept. It's a very new concept. We have never imagined that our students can think like that. So they did it in the model exhibition. They have shown a talk. In that talk they were planting some grasses, the herbs, and the herbs have certain roots under the soil. By using that is the soil and the root technique, they ultimately were able to make an LED glow. The principle behind is that actually under the soil there are some bacteria, and these bacteria are beneficial bacteria. They always remain in association with the plant roots, and in that way they help the plant, and in return plant also help the bacteria. It is a kind of mutualism, commensalism method. But when the bacteria remains inside the plant roots, then bacteria starts eating some food, and as a result of metabolism inside the root and its surrounding, means near the root in the soil, some ions are produced from the mineral salts. Generally we know that soil has mineral salts. These mineral salts are broken down to their respective ions, and these ions, if you can communicate by using certain conductor, then these ions definitely will travel through the conductor and will make a bulb glowing. So that was a wonderful concept, and for this very good concept they were rightly awarded the first prize. Thank you very much and congratulations.
Congratulations.
Methane is a greenhouse gas. It's a very much harmful and polluting gas. When it is present in considerably high amount in atmosphere, it leads to global warming. Cow dung releases methane gas, and that is a serious issue, because in Assam, in India, in the entire world there are cows, and cows produce cow dung and there is methane gas. It is a very serious issue. But the problem is how to minimize the methane. And they found a way, that is some American scientists already did research on a particular plant called cosmos tree. If the leaves and flowers of cosmos tree are mixed with grasses and fed to the cows, then in the cow dung the percentage of methane gets lowered. So they tried feeding this cosmos tree to the local Asian cows, and they got the methane percentage went down. But even then, cow dung produced certain amount of methane, and they had some alternate that cow dung can be used in making gobar gas. Then the methane will be getting converted to that biogas, what we call as gobar gas, and that we can use in our kitchen for cooking. And in the gobar gas plant, in the biogas plant, whatever the waste materials generated, that waste materials can be used in the agricultural field to fertile our agricultural fields. So that was a wonderful concept. So for that concept, judges were impressed. The people who visited the exhibition, they became impressed, and they rightly were awarded the first prize. Congratulations and thank you for taking part in this event. This was your last exhibition in the school, because after this you will pass out from this school. Wish you all the best in the future and keep in touch with Urduday Academy. Thank you. He was Tirthankar Chaudhary. Tirthankar Chaudhary sir, he has mentioned a lot about the entire management committee members, all the teachers, everybody. But it is Tirthankar Chaudhary who made this time the concept came into reality. And you see this person who is standing in front of you right now and giving you the prizes, as the judges have already selected. The most important thing is that these prizes are given by our Tirthankar Chaudhary sir. Selection is done by the judge, but the prizes are given away by Tirthankar Chaudhary in memory of his beloved mother. So you should give a great hand to him. Thank you very much, Tirthankar Chaudhary sir, and it will be very pleasing moment for me if I share this medal jointly with Tirthankar sir, which was given to me. It is not mine, it is ours, and we want to share this. Sir, this is for you.
Sir, I have no words to speak. You are sharing something for which I am just incomparable in front of you. But since the respect I am getting from such a big person is a big thing for me. Sir, thank you very much.
God bless you. God bless you. So this is ours, not mine. This is not mine.